Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do our next two pages, page number 139 plus page number 140. On page 139, here we have time. Students, do you remember what is time? Let me remind you, time is ongoing sequence of events taking place. Calendar. Here we have calendar. Students, do you have any idea about calendar? Let me tell you about calendar. Calendar is a system of organizing days. A chart or series of pages showing the days, weeks, and months of a particular year. Here we have months name: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. 12 months of the year. Think. Students, here we have a question and we are going to give answer after thinking. Do you know how many years there are in a decade? Students, do you know how many years? 120 years. There are 120 years in one decade. Go for the next one. Let us recall. Students, here we have one assessment. We are going to give answers of these questions. Here we have point A. At point A, here we have the question. How many days are there in the month of January? Students, how many days are there in the month of January? Do you have any idea? 31 days. So we are going to write 3 first. 1 and days. D-A-Y-S. Days. 31 days. Go for the next one. Here we have point B. At point B, here we have the question. Students, which month of the calendar has least number of days? Students, which month of the year has least number of the days? Let me tell you, February. So we are going to write February here. Let's write it F E B R U A R Y. February. Go for the next one. Here we have point C. At point C, here we have the question. How many days are there in a year? Students, how many days are there in a year? 365 days. So we are going to write 3 first. 6, 5. 365 days. D-A-Y-S. 365 days. Go for the next one. Here we have point D. At point D, here we have the question. August comes after the month of. Students, when we count the months according to the sequence, we knew that month of August comes after the month of July. So we are going to write July here. J-U-L-Y. July. Go for the next one. Here we have point E. At point E, here we have the question. The 6th month of the year is. Students, the 6th month of the year is June. So we are going to write June here. J-U-N-E. June. Go for the next one. Here we have point F. At point F, here we have the question. The total number of days in June and July. Students, June has 30 days and July has 31 days. Students, when we add the number of 30 and 31, we got the answer 61. So we are going to write 61 days here. 6, 1 and days. D-A-Y-S. Days. 61 days. Go for the next one. Here we have point G. At point G, here we have the question. Second last month of the year is. Students, do you have any idea? The second last month of the year is November. So we are going to write November here. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. The second last month of the year is November. Go for the next one. Here we have point H. At point H, here we have the question. There are dash days in a week. Students, do you learn days of week? How many days are there in a week? 7 days. So we are going to write the number of 7 here. There are 7 days in a week. Go for the next one. Here we have point I. At point I, here we have the question. The last month of the solar year is. Students, do you have any idea about solar year? Let me tell you. Solar year is the time it takes the earth to pass once round the sun. And we are going to find out the last month of solar year is December. So we are going to write the spellings of December here. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Go for the next one. Here we have point J. At point J, here we have the question. The month of October has dash days. Students, how many days are there in the month of October? Do you have any idea? 31 days. So we are going to write 31 here. Students, we complete our page number 139. Go for the next page. Here we have page number 140. And here we have the statement. Look at the calendar and answer the questions. Students, after see the calendar of the month of January, we are going to give answers of these questions. Students, here we have the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The month starts from Monday and continue the counting till the last date of January 31st, and 31st date comes on the day of Wednesday. So let's start our assessment. Here we have point A. At point A, here we have the statement. What is the day on 1st January? Students, what is the day of 1st January? It's Monday. So we are going to write Monday here. M-O-N-D-A-Y, day, Monday. Go for the next one. Here we have point B. At point B, here we have the statement. The first Sunday of the month is on. here we have the days of the week, and here we have the day of Sunday, and the first Sunday is on 7th January. So we are going to write 7th January here. 7th January. J A N U A R Y. 7th January. Go for the next one. Here we have point C, and the statement is there are dash Fridays in the whole month. Students, here we have the day of Friday, and how many Fridays are there? First Friday comes on the date of 5th January. Then the second one is on 12th January. The third one is on 19th January. And the fourth one is on 26th January. How many Fridays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 Fridays in the whole month. So we are going to write 4 over here. F-O-U-R. There are 4 Fridays in the whole month. Go for the next one. Here we have point D. At point D, here we have the statement. The first Wednesday of the month is on. Students, here we have the day of Wednesday, and the first Wednesday comes on the date of 3rd. So we are going to write 3rd January here. 3rd 3rd January. J A N U A R Y. 3rd January. Go for the next one. Here we have point E. At point E, here we have the statement. The last Friday of the month is on. Students, here we have the day of Friday, and the last Friday comes on the day of 26th. So we are going to write 26th January here. Let's write it. 26th January. J A N U A R Y. 26th January. Go for the next one. Here we have point F. At point F, here we have the statement. What is the date on the 3rd Wednesday of the month? Students, here we have the day of Wednesday, and we are going to find out the 3rd Wednesday. First, it comes on the day of 3rd. The second Wednesday is on the date of 10, and the third Wednesday is on the date of 17th January. So we are going to write 17th January here. 17th 17th January. J A N U A R Y. 17th January. Go for the next one. Here we have point G. At point G, here we have the statement. What day is to on the 20th of the month? Students, here we have the calendar of the month of January, and the date of 20th came on the day of Saturday. So we are going to write the day of Saturday here. Let's write it as A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Go for the next one. Here we have point H, and the statement is, how many weeks are there in this month? Students, here we have 7 days in a week, and here is the first week is complete, then the second one, third and fourth. Students, fourth weeks are complete in the month of January. So we are going to write 4 here. F-O-U-R. 4 weeks. W-E-E-K-S. Weeks. 4 weeks. We complete our today's work. You have to do it in neat way. Stay at your home. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.